right there, Ma?
Yes, Daily Mineral Sunscreen.
That is sunscreen for here out in Houston, Texas.
Okay.
Just because you just need that in Houston, Texas.
I can't be in the sun with the cancer medicine, so yes.
Okay, lovely. All right, be careful. Okay, that's the first one. Open that on it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, see, so what I did was, this is the album that I dedicated to my mom, Wore Roses. Yes, I had to get her the long sleeve black joint. Had to get her that. I've been saving that for her. Had to get her the white joint.
Love that.
Uh-huh. I know you see you had to get your re-up on your busy bone stuff.
Thank you.
The cat! Get your re-up.
Very happy.
There you go, sis. Gotta help her out a little bit.
Whatever it is, it smells good.
Oh, it's
It
delicious.
smells clean.
For your scrubbing needs.
It smells good.
Get you all the way together. I know you're a woman and women like good stuff that smells good.
Absolutely. And
My
I love
favorite.
the box.
The brother.
I love the box. Oh, that smells.
Pokemon, I'm telling you, he's on the money.
Yes, he is.
Got another one. Okay, so those are just little trinkets that I put in there. Just candy, vegan candy. It's a vegan theme.
Okay.
Everything is vegan. Veganism, everyone. Veganism. Put some little candies in there.
I
Plus
got
they're
you.
turquoise blue. I said, this will be nice.
They look like they're coconut and chocolate.
That's what they are.
Okay.
I enjoy them. Should be something else in there. You should go keep going in there.
Okay.
Something in there. Something in there. Yeah.
Wow.
Got a little something in there. I know women like mascara and stuff.
Yeah. Ocean. Jeez.
I know you love the smell of
Oh
ocean.
my God, I do. Because then you'll go in the store and you spray this on, you know, it's like, it's
Yeah, I'm doing
$112 a bottle, so load up.
Good stuff.
Maybe they'll last for a day or two.
Okay, I think these are the ones I think you'll really, really love these.
Okay.
Don't, it's tissue paper, mama.
Yeah, you can get rid of ain't nothing. You can get rid of all that.
Heaven's Movement.
Yes. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that's a
Love
classic.
that one.
Classic.
Yes.
And the long sleeve.
Had to get the long sleeve.
And the long
Yes.
Had to get the long
sleeve. Had to
sleeve.
do you right.
And Dad, don't worry, I got you a package too. I got you together. Don't you worry
Let's
about it.
get right set.
No, I got it.
I saw it.
I got it. I got
Nice.
Thank you.
it.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so far so good.
There's a very, very festive looking wrapping going on.
Yeah, that one was me. Okay, now I want you to grab those out first. Now I got something to tell you.
Okay.
I just really want to thank you for supporting me in all of my solo records and all of my other endeavors and everything. So I wanted to put those old ones in there, just some fresh new ones, because I love you and I really appreciate you always having my back
Thank
with what
you.
I've been doing. So I wanted to definitely get you that carbon monoxide. And I wanted to get you another mantra, because you know, as I've been going on this journey, okay?
Thank you, because I have washed them so much, I wear them all the time.
I got you. Those are
You know
brand
what I'm
fresh, spanking new.
saying? Yes.
Okay, now this right here, this is something that I really wanted to get you.
Okay.
And when I seen it, I'm like, this is definitely my mom. So hold on.
Oh, that is beautiful, Brian. Thank you. Oh, wow.
Just a nice little something, little rose.
Oh, great.
Nice.
I like that.
Thank you. That is just beautiful.
I figured you like it. I know women like jewelry and stuff. So I figured get her some jewelry and stuff.
That's Stop.
What he's failing to tell y'all is that he got a big sister that helps direct shit.
And here's the next one from Papa Jeff. You're gonna have to help with this one, Snoop. It's too goddamn big. Next one from Papa Jeff. Papa John. Oh yeah, baby.
You know what that means?
Oh.
That.
What the hell is that? Turn it around, Snoop. Let's see it. Be careful with it, Snoop. Oh, that's a fax.
That's a fax.
And a printer.
That's a fax and a printer. Look at me, I'm old school. That's a fax machine.
Fax. It's a fax.
And a printer. Yeah, Mom, you needed one of those, right?
I sure did.
Nice.
Show grandma. Go show grandma. Show daddy.
Let me see. Yay, say thank you, Granny Rose. All right.
Hey, Candy, so what you thinking?
It's clean.
Alright, let's do another one of shit.
Somebody run out and go get some caution tape, the yellow tape. We need some yellow tape. Divide this shit off. These are the days of our lives. Sing this shit! I wish we could live forever. My God, I wish we could live forever. My God, I wish we could live forever. My God, I wish we could live forever. And what? Together.